It is from OTR Performance, and this here is the DTC reset tool. And what this thing does, I can show you the back of it here. You can reset and clear your fault codes, and it will force a regen, and it's going to save you a ton of money. A lot of guys, you know, when their truck's giving some trouble or even replacing parts on it, you're going to need to force a regen. This tool is going to allow you to do that without spending $8, $10, $12, $15, $20,000 on a scan tool. So this thing is pretty much a lifesaver. If you're a single truck owner operator, this is going to be the way to go. You can buy a basic code reader for a couple of $100, and you can buy this, and you can pretty much get yourself out of any jam that you may find yourself in. There's several different models that they make. I've got one of almost every single model. I've got both pack car engines, up to 16 and then 16 to present. I've got the Cummins, I've got the Detroits. Like, I'm a firm believer that these tools are well worth the money. We've got a Cummins over here and a Kenworth T680. You will see that this tool is pretty much invaluable. It's going to save you from having to take your truck to a dealership or another shop and spending $150 to $200 to have them plug it up and just force it to do a regen. If you're on the side of the road because your truck's derated, this thing's going to help you out too, save you a tow bill. So let's get after it. All we got to do is get Wally to simply turn the key on, and we'll wait a minute. Let me see if I can get up here. We can show where the codes are on the dash. You see we do have a fault code. So we want to just wait a minute, and then we'll plug the box up. All right, guys, it's been a minute. You can see on the dash by the green writing that's up there, it's still got the codes in it. So you just line up your pins, simple as that, and I'll leave it hooked up. I just heard it clicking and doing its thing. So we got to wait 1 minute, and then we'll try to force a regen and show you guys how that works. And she's already got the codes cleared. As you guys can see right here, no faults found. So
even your SCS is gone.
That's awesome. All right, let's fire it up, Wally, and see if we can get it to force a regen. All right, guys, so we see it clears the code. So the next thing we want to do is try to force a regen. As you can see, it says with the engine running at 160, and that's what we got. Cycle the parking brake, on, off, or on. And in the standard trans, you want to go neutral, reverse, neutral, and connect the service tool. Wait 30 seconds to 4 minutes. So Wally's gonna about 20 seconds, and she's good to go. So we'll just let her regen, and as you guys can see, it's still hooked up. So we'll leave her alone and take a look at it, see how it works. All right, guys, as you can see, it's idle back down, and let me get up here where you can see it's no fault codes. Through the regen, still plugged up. We're going to go ahead and kill the truck. And we're going to undo the tool.